Started our day really late today. Now it's close to 11:30, and we're going to be meeting two friends and the family at a cafe. Right before we go and meet them, we just thought drop by McDonald's and grab a cup of double espresso. I think they don't call this coffee. If you order a coffee, they'll likely give you a one-shot espresso, so you have to say Americano or long black. Let me show you the view of what we're looking at. Ground floor, and one more floor upstairs, which is level 1. Sunday morning, the streets are pretty quiet. These are some of the cobblestone walkway. So the beauty of Saint-Germain is all these French houses, which is quite nice. And of course pastries. To the restaurants where we are going to meet our friends. This is the one. I guess we're early. That is the Opera House. So this is the men's store. This is the bridge that connects from one Lafayette to the next Lafayette. This is right outside Louis Vuitton and Dior. So I think this should be the Ritz Carlton over there. It's almost close to meet, or rather early Jan already, and we still have a Christmas tree. One here, one over there, one behind this pillar, and one over here. The lights are gorgeous. We did so much walking today. After lunch with our two couple friends, we actually came down to Galeries Lafayette to do some shopping and managed to get some stuff, and came down here to specifically look for one restaurant which is around the corner. So we're going to see if they're open today because it's Sunday. This will be the third time that I'm here trying to try this restaurant again, but they're closed again. The salmon is so good, and apparently it's TripAdvisor recommended. This is the restaurant name. We happened to bypass this opera theatre house, and I thought why not take a look at it. It looks really nice. Back to the hotel, and just thought I will show you the lobby. This is like a little dining area where people here have breakfast. So it's a very small 5-10 seaters. There is a bookshelf. This is a window seat where it's got a nice street view, and they also have vending machines where you can get some chocolate. Lovely place. We came back to the hotel and decided that we need to wash our clothes. So we're bringing bags of laundry to the laundrette again to get some clothes washed, because the smell of Amsterdam actually follow us back to Paris. So yep, we need to get rid of those. Making our way to the laundrette, and you can see that is Notre Dame. This one. we left the laundrette and our laundry to wash because it takes about 55 minutes. So now we're going to get some breakfast for tomorrow, which maybe some bread or croissant or something, because we'll be leaving our hotel pretty early to go to Vincent's to meet our friend, where he will be driving us to the outlet tomorrow. So that's the plan, and that's the reason why we need to wake up really early, and I don't think we'll be able to have time for breakfast tomorrow. So, you know, to save a little bit of time, we thought maybe just buy a croissant or something.